All the space science stuff. All right, we're going to be closely watching rain over the next couple of days and the possibility of a setup kind of like what we see here, where you have the training of rain, and that may set up across parts of our area tomorrow. Exactly where is still undetermined, but a lot of the guidance has been indicating a little bit more west and possibly also on the North Shore. Now, the rain that is out over Texas and northwest Louisiana at the moment, not impacting us tonight. All we have had are a few little light sprinkles kind of passing through, and may still see some of those through the night and early tomorrow morning. Now, after probably about 9 o'clock, we may start to see that band of rain moving in our direction. And again, the models are not perfect, but they really have been highlighting more the Atchafalaya Basin, maybe parts of the river parishes and onto the North Shore for these showers to just kind of sit. And that's not what we want to see, because this would create some flooding concerns. Not guaranteed, but it would certainly be a high possibility. Notice, though, a lot of the metro area may stay, based on this model, relatively dry with maybe a few rounds of some showers, but the heaviest staying off to our west. Now, we may get a break later in the night going into early Thursday with another round of showers on Thursday. However, model guidance is indicating the showers on Thursday should be moving, so we probably won't have that flooding risk for Thursday as opposed to tomorrow. We'll see how things kind of set up. 68 degrees was our high today after a morning start in the 50s, so it was a much milder start and milder afternoon. And with that milder, more humid air moving in on top of very chilly water and land surface temperatures, we have the fog to contend with. 62-degree temperature, 62-degree dew point. Humidity right now is at 100%. And temperatures have been mild so far today and likely won't change much through the overnight. I think morning lows tomorrow will probably be about the same or maybe even a few degrees warmer, as it does look like temperatures will get into the 70s during the day. We got that onshore wind, which at times is pretty breezy, and that's going to continue into the overnight as well. So far, a lot of the upper disturbances that we have seen have generally stayed. We had one little spin from yesterday, another one coming out of West Texas. So far, these have been a little bit more to our west. These are the triggering mechanisms for the showers. But as we head into tomorrow, we're going to see some of these getting a little bit closer. So all of that rainfall that since yesterday has been more focused to our west will start moving in our direction. So that will be the setup starting tomorrow and continuing on into Thursday. Again, the big issue tomorrow is if these bands set up and then don't move. Now, this model does have some of that activity pushing into the metro area, but others really don't bring a whole lot of rainfall in for us tomorrow. Now, the overall forecast for rainfall totals looking at the next several days is roughly 3 to 4 inches across most of southeast Louisiana. I don't think all of us will see those type of totals, as a lot of the models are indicating more of that focus to our west. So, boy, Lafayette could see by early Thursday morning as much as 9 inches of rainfall, and then a little bit closer into southeast Louisiana, that 1 inch or so metro area, and then north of the lake out toward Baton Rouge, maybe 3 to 4. Now, we're going to add to those totals as we'll have another round of showers moving in on Thursday. Now, it doesn't discount the rain on Friday and some on Saturday that'll also be moving in. Those totals, though, won't be nearly as great. Most of our rain coming in is tomorrow as far as the accumulation and coverage tomorrow and Thursday. Higher risk of those flooding type showers to our west during the day tomorrow. For all of southeast Louisiana, we're under a level 2. That means the possibility of more scattered as opposed to just isolated downpours that could lead to some street flooding. That risk is about the same for Thursday, but notice shifting off to the east and will continue to move off to the east as we head into Friday. Low end threat for an isolated strong or severe storm tomorrow and Thursday. The real focus will be on the possibility of flooding rain. Those rain chances do diminish for Friday. Not sure if they're going to clear out for our evening parades Friday. They will be gone by Saturday evening and night as temperatures come down, and chilly weather as we head into Sunday and early next week, but no freezes on the horizon.